Hello everybody, welcome to video 16 section 6 lecture 5. These are the practice questions. After doing all those previous questions with robust explanation, I am just going to give you very short explanation for these questions. Questions 1 to 6, we have to find the number of subnets. So how do we find number of subnets and the hosts per subnet? We have the formula. Number of subnets or the number of networks is equal to 2 to the power number of host bits borrowed, whereas hosts per subnet we have the formula 2 to the power host bits and then subtract 2. So from the given prefix length you have to find how many bits have been borrowed. Similarly, convert this subnet mask into prefix length and find out how many bits have been borrowed. This should be 255.255.255.224, or not necessary to convert this into the prefix length. Just look at it and see the address of the first octet. So this is class C, and how many bits have been borrowed, compare it and then find out. Same thing over here, but these two questions are from class B and these two questions are from class A. So class B, what is the default subnet mask or prefix length? Default prefix length is 16. So given prefix length is 25. So how many bits have been borrowed? The given prefix minus the default prefix. Same thing over here. So how many bits have been borrowed and what is the default number of bits? So this is the magic number. From that magic number you should be able to find out how many bits are borrowed. So use the same formula. Likewise over here, this is the given prefix length. What is the default prefix length? The difference between them is the number of bits borrowed. And likewise, this is the subnet mask given. So from the subnet mask, given subnet mask, compare it with the default subnet mask and find out how many bits have been borrowed. So these are the 8 bits and these are few more bits, sum up. That many bits have been borrowed. So once you get the number of bits borrowed, you can find the number of subnets and then you can also find the number of hosts per subnet. So just go through this explanation if you have any doubts. Otherwise just read the questions, take out a notebook and pen, solve them and just verify your answers. The answers are also given, and in case the answers don't match, try it again. Maybe some typo may have been done by you, and still if it doesn't match, look at the explanation, and if you find that I have done somewhere mistakes, then please raise the question in the QA session and then we'll sort it out. That's all in this particular session. Hopefully you enjoyed it. All the best. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.